Fishes Eddie though. Okay, so it's called Fishes Eddie. Last time I saw Betty was the day I left Fishes Eddie, when she stood out on the jetty and waved as I rode downstream. Betty was working a cafe when she and I met halfway. I can still hear her halfway down where the gray water turns green. Betty told fortunes and she waited tables. You could say her life was tough. I did what I could, I did what I was able, but I guess I didn't do enough. Well, next time I see Beth, we're gonna laugh ourselves half to death, 'cause that's all that we got left since we traded away our dreams.